Now you try. Let's wash the timber loader. Let's start foaming the vehicle. Let's get the dirt off the vehicle with a brush. Don't stop. Keep up the good work. Let's load the empty bags onto the Drayscene. Let's load all the necessary items in. Keep up the good work. Drag the part to the right place. We need to wash the Drayscene. Keep it up. Hooray! Let's load the materials into the minecart. Don't stop. We need to wash the minecart. We did it! Let's assemble a garbage car. That's all. Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. You're doing really great. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Drag the objects to their places. Try it on your own. Now you try. We need to fix a crack on the garbage car. Ready. Let's grind the welding seam. Keep up the good work. To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the flat car. Ready. Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. We did it! Let's repair the railroad station. Drag the objects to their places. Try it on your own. Let's wash the flat car. You're doing really great.